manual.
Just doing some further away from the flag.
How are we going to do this?
Sandbags on the green building.
Airfield's over where their helicopter's at.
Alright.
To the left.
Dude, one of the YouTube videos I watch is the team that plays here. They're here. I see them with their pads, their call sign. I'm like, dude, I watch those guys. Yeah. 6 out of the patch on the back. Even a truck on its side. Okay, now just
If you want, but you're not really going to get it.
Hey, guys, don't go up this. Don't go up this.
We lost Sean.
Well, whatever. You can't go into that. Yeah, you put right here. Try first. But don't go into like this field all the way over here.
Alright, well, we lost. That way? Alright, they're taking fire.
See them?
I see some of them. No, I see some of them. Anybody there?
Yeah, I see a few.
I don't know. Thinking about it.
You want to help those guys?
Yeah, let's go.
Joe.
I'll come with you. Oh man, I was gonna take that.
No visual.
You have a visual? I see him. Go. Oh.
On your back.
People are getting hit here. I see him. Come around. Hey, Sean.
I died.
You did? That's where you went.
Yep. This baby's coming in there. The thing ain't reaching. I would. I can't even see my fucking baby.
You may have to go out there and take a
Low FPS sign, so I can.
Well, I mean, I can't change the black.
Yeah, self-TVs. Self-TVs. Not the best. Exciting.
No. I'm thinking of switching up, putting in a couple of white ones with
Whoa,
it.
where'd that come from?
Oh, that's still.
Is that the turn stick right there, that green?
No, ours is right there.
Somebody's taking pop shots.
Yeah, hey, right
Oh wait, that might be ours.
right the tree. See him?
Oh, I see.
The breeze is really
That was one horn, but not two.
Yeah. Well, I can't imagine it's been 30 minutes already.
Desert Eagle.
Hey, they're running from the side.
What side?
People, they're running back on the side, so they must be pushing.
We still got guys up there.
Do we have anybody up there?
We still have guys up here.
Yeah, we have a couple guys up there.
Hey, we need the right people to move up.
Hey, where's the flag? Did you see the flag station where you were?
Nope.
No, ours. Theirs. The one that's closest to them.
I haven't seen it.
Did you see where Wes went?
No.
So I've seen Lucas.
Yeah.
Haven't seen Wes.
Oh, I see one.
Lucas. And Joe.
There's one behind a tree up there.
They're moving. Nice. There, I see one. Joe, shooting over your shoulder.
Got him.
I can't reach him.
I see him as well.
I've got about 10.
That's nice.
4 headshots.
Where were you sitting? Where were you sitting?
Are we going back up there? Laying down,
I think we're
no,
going
like
back up.
covered, dude. Nobody could see me, and then all of a sudden somebody started shooting in the building,
Oh.
knocked that door open, and blasted me, dude. That was fuck. There's a door on the back side of the gray building.